Please embrace diversity as a leverage, not as a tool for compliance. Amen? Right? For your team success. It's not because HR requires it. It's not because my boss is gonna check up on it. Great leaders make an effort to structure an inclusive culture in their actions and in their language. So for example, when it comes to your definition of work-life balance, how do you define it? Some people in the Generation X or baby boomer crowd, they see it as linear. I wake up at 5 or 6 a.m., and then I have my personal me time with my coffee and newspaper. I work, there's lunch, I go home, and then I spend time with my family. Who here has this mindset? And it's totally fine. My parents are like this. Anyone? This is not about competition, if ever. Right? Some people think of it like this. So the Generation Y and Gen Z see it as something like, okay, I'm gonna work, but if I have time, because the gym is just close by, I'm gonna work out. Right? And then after that, I'm gonna work for a bit, and then perhaps I'm gonna make some break. I'm gonna check out something in Shopee and Lazada because tomorrow I want this item. Right? And then I'm gonna watch an episode on Netflix during my tea time, because that's only 20 minutes. Right? Or I wasn't able to finish the entire episode, I'll do that as well. But I will get to my bottom line. I will be able to finish my job. Right? And then, maybe if you have more time, you can do a video call or a hangout with your friends, with your laptops in front of you while you're still working together as a group of barkada or friends. Right? So I fall under this category. But diversity is this. Regardless if you're on the left or on the right side, neither is superior or inferior to each other. It's legit. It's how you do things, and it works for you. As long as you're not hurting anyone, get your job done, follow what makes you happy. Right? Nakaka-relate ba? Right? Therefore, as a leader, if your life is like the one on the left, please be mindful not to impose that to the ones to the right. And similarly, if you're the ones to the right, don't look down if you think that they're not having the best of their life just because they follow to the left. That is diversity. That's what makes us unique, and that's what makes us alive at the end.